current controlling device. The name silicon control rectifier is general electric trade name for a type of thyristor, and this is the symbol of silicon control rectifier. It has anode, gate and cathode. And the application of silicon control rectifier are mainly used in devices where the control of high power possible coupled with high voltage is demanded. Their operations make them suitable for use in medium to high voltage AC power control applications. Today we are going to see the characteristics of SCR. Today we are going to see characteristics of SCR. To determine the characteristics of SCR and to study the operation of single phase single pulse converter using SCR. The apparatus required are SCR modeler kit, voltmeter 0 to 30 volt MC, ammeter 0 to 30 milliamps MC, and patch cords. And this is the circuit diagram to find out the SCR characteristics. And this is the tabular column, and here the gate current will be a constant, and we should find out cathode anode voltage and anode current. And here is the model graph. They have found out gate current for two readings, constant readings, and this is the pin configuration. And this is the SCR kit. We are going to do the experiment in this using this kit. You can see SCR is individually mounted here. SCR has anode, gate and cathode. See, we have connected this SCR anode, gate and cathode to this gate, anode and cathode. And now we have connected gate side to see the gate side current in ammeter in the gate side. That is, the value is 30 milliamps DC meter. And we have connected a ammeter to find out the, that is also 30 milliamps DC meter, to find out the anode current. And also we have connected a voltmeter here to find out anode cathode voltage, that is 1 volt DC. Now switch on the kit. Adjust the port 3 so that the gate current will be 3.5. Gate current 3.5. Now adjust port 4 so that we get anode current 0.5 milliamps and voltage is 0.61. Now adjust the port 4 again to 1.5. You can see the voltage will be 0.65. Again adjust for 2.5. You can see that the voltage will be 0.67 and this will be 3.5 constant. Two 0.67. Again you adjust the port 4 for 3 milliamps and you will get same as 0.67. And again you adjust the port 4 for 4 you will get n 0.67 only. Now you adjust the port 4 till 20 milliamps for the anode current. You can notice that the cathode anode voltage will be 0.67 only and the gate current given in the starting for the constant value is 3.5. So you can write this as 0.675, 0.676, 0.677 ... 0.67, 25 milliamps, up to 25 milliamps. And you can also take another reading for 4 milliamps or 5 milliamps as you wish. And you can see also VAK will be remain constant at one point and anode current will be increased till 25 milliamps or 30 milliamps. Thus the characteristics of SCR and the output waveform of single phase single pulse converter were obtained. Thank you for watching this video.